Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today I took a trip to Rug&Home. I have never been to Rug&Home. This was a request from two different people who asked me to go and film a video there. As you can see, this is really this is my style. I love the color. I love these rugs. They had some really traditional pieces. They had modern pieces. I love this store. You can see that, look at that blue rug under that more traditional table. Absolutely beautiful. They did a really good job on their merchandising because they were able to, I think they were able to appeal to anybody walking in because you have the more traditional, this table, as you can see, is the live edge table, and then behind it you have the teal blue console, and then you have the more traditional chairs. They did a great job of mixing styles so that hopefully that display would appeal to everyone in some way. So I'm super impressed. I can't believe I've never been here before. The prices were good. So the prices, I tried to get some of the prices to give you an example of what they were, but basically what I noticed is that the price tag would say 70% off. So it would give you the regular price, which I don't know where that came from. And then they would give you the Rug&Home price. Now, some of the Rug&Home prices were a little high. So here's the thing. They were a little bit high because I'm very frugal, but I would have paid the price for whatever the item was if I really, really wanted it. There's a couple of chairs here. I need a chair for my bedroom. There are a couple of chairs here that I absolutely loved. So anyway, I'll tell you the things I've noticed. They did a great job with displays. They did a great job of accessorizing. They have beautiful rugs. I never went there because I'm thinking rug&home. It's just rugs, right? I had no idea they had home decor, and I had no idea they had beautiful displays like this. So just to give you a little idea of some of the items I saw, this table is super cute. I did see a lot of things I'm not seeing at other stores. That always makes me happy. So I saw unique items that I'm not seeing in other stores. And the way that their items, the colors of their items and the way they accessorize them was also quite different. So that little bench was $441, and that was the Rug&Home price. Absolutely worth it. The nightstand beside this particular bed, I did get a price on this one, and I pulled the drawers in and out, and I checked the quality of it. It was very good quality. Super. I mean, I can't even tell you $299 for that. And I know that's high. I mean, obviously right now, I think people are not, wanting to spend tons of money, but for the quality, it was beautiful. And then I did try to get some prices of some of the accessories because I thought their accessories were also quite pretty. And I saw some really nice, unique accessories. This chair is one of the chairs I loved. It was so comfortable and so soft. It was I don't know, the fabric was sort of, it wasn't canvas. It was a very soft, almost like t-shirt material, but thicker. It was just beautiful. Almost like an ultra suede, but not an ultra suede. I don't know. So here they do have displays for just the accessories they sell in the store, and look at the colors. I'm telling you, they did a beautiful job with the colors, putting the colors together. Absolutely stunning. If you have trouble putting together displays in your house, go to Rug&Home, walk around and look at how they've accessorized some of their rooms. You can also see they use a lot of rugs behind the furniture, which is just gorgeous. I've never hung rugs on the wall, but I'll tell you, after going in here, I'm like, wow, these are really pretty. The rugs are stunning. You can see, look at the rugs on the wall. They're just so pretty. And you notice they put the rugs behind the wall that complemented the bedding on the actual beds or the pillows on the couches. So anyway, so what I'll tell you is go. Absolutely go. I quite enjoyed it. And yeah, here's the armoire that goes with that nightstand. It would complement that nightstand. They had quite a few benches. Now this bench, I think I've seen this bench in Tuesday Morning. I think it was even the exact bench. But it's super pretty and the price was good. You can see, I would suggest this. If you want to decorate a room and you're not sure what to do, I would go here, but also keep in mind how they take a base, such as, a neutral couch, a neutral chair, and then they put color with it, and then they put accessories with a little bit of color. Here they've done very little color, a lot of wood, but you see they've put in the rug behind this piece. It's beautiful. Here you can see they have these candles on the table, and on the couch they have the pink that's in the candles in that pillow on that couch, and then a little tiny bit of that pink in that rug. And here you can see they've done a really pretty light blue bedding, And then they've got that blue accent in the left, hand corner of there. So yeah, I would absolutely go here, if nothing else, for decorating ideas, but also it was shocking. Look at this. This is so pretty the way they put stuff together. I did pick this piece up because it looked like it was almost solid or heavy, but it wasn't. It was very light. And it's a piece, I'll tell you, that if you have it, you better put it somewhere that it's not going to be able to get broken, because it was very thin and it could easily get broken. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think those are the main tips I would tell you about Rug and Home. And I did see some pieces that were like final sale, and the prices were amazing. So they had a lot of bedroom furniture. They had living room furniture, dining room furniture. They had kids. They had a lot of couches. The rugs were amazing. The rugs were absolutely beautiful. They had, I think that's pretty much it. They had some bookshelves. You see these bikes on the wall. That was really cute. And then the wooden armoire. I would definitely say if you want to see unique items you're not seeing somewhere else, definitely go to Rug and Home and check things out. So, all right, I'm going to let you walk through with me and listen to a little bit of music, and then I'll catch up with you back before the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the tour through Rug and Home so far. So again, if you're struggling with putting together a room and you need ideas on how to use color in the room, or you're looking for some specific piece, I would definitely highly recommend going to Rug and Home. I can't believe I've never been there. So basically if I were going in here as a novice and didn't have any idea about how to decorate a room, this is what I would have gotten out of my trip to Rug and Home. One, how to put together a room so not everything is the same color, and also how to use color but also have a neutral background. So basically you're starting with a neutral base, like wood, piece of wood furniture, solid colored couch that's a neutral color, white bedding, and then how to put color on top of that, and then also use accessories behind the bed. Like the rug. The rugs are gorgeous. Also, you could also translate those rugs and the way they've used the color behind the beds and the couches and the rugs, but use some sort of removable wallpaper. Well, you could use permanent wallpaper, but I've had to remove wallpaper before, and let me tell you, it was a pain. So I would definitely suggest, if you aren't interested in having to take the trouble to remove wallpaper from a wall, to use some sort of temporary wallpaper, removable wallpaper, and use these colors behind your furniture. It was so pretty. Yeah, they did a great job. This piece on top of the table was so pretty. Just accessories, absolutely beautiful. They had a lot of the pinks in their basically in their accessory color. So you'll see that in a lot of their rugs, which is kind of interesting because you don't typically see that. I mean, I definitely saw a lot of things here I'm not seeing other places. I would 100% go back. I would 100% buy something from this store. I am looking for a chair for the corner of my room, and I saw 2 chairs here that I really, really liked, and so I might go back and buy them. But yeah, you can see how they use color without it being overpowering in a room. You can see how they use the colors of the rug to accentuate but not perfectly match the furniture that they put with the rugs. And yeah, super impressed with what I saw today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hi everyone, this is the final check-in for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about anything or have a suggestion or recommendation on stores I should visit, let me know. I would never have gone to this store if it hadn't been recommended to me, but yeah, just super impressed. Anyway, have a great day, and hope I see you in the next video, and take care. Thank you.